Good morning and welcome once again, and we will continue with the same chapter, that is the Constitution of India, right? This time I would like to discuss with you regarding the formation of a Constituent Assembly और उसका नेशनल करेक्टर क्या रहा, और फिर ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी की तरफ जाएंगे और फिर हम लोग अपना संविधान लिखेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ डेफिनेटली अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ, नॉट विद द हेल्प ऑफ बट अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर, राइट। तो पहले कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली का गठन करते हैं। After the end of the Second World War in 1945, there was unrest everywhere in India. People were having a lot of agitation against the British rule and they were seeking independence from this rule. इस रूल से वो इंडिपेंडेंस चाह रहे थे। तो इन ऑर्डर टू रिजॉल्व द सिचुएशन, इस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकलने के लिए, हिंदुस्तानियों को बाहर निकालने के लिए या खुद इस सिचुएशन से रिजॉल्व करने के लिए, इस सिचुएशन को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए सॉरी, British came up with a plan which is known as the Cabinet Mission Plan. A few people from Britain sent by the British government to India to talk with the Indian leaders. They people came to be known as Cabinet Mission Plan, and they came up with a plan. They came up with a proposal, and one of those proposals, well, देखिए formation of Pakistan नहीं था. They never said that there shall be a separate state or separate country for the Muslim people. ये ऐसी प्रपोजल नहीं थी। तो मुस्लिम्स जो थे उस चीज़ के लिए खफा थे एंड दे डिसाइडेड टू बॉयकॉट इट। उन्होंने बॉयकॉट किया था लेटर ऑन, बट लेट मी कंटिन्यू विद दिस वन। तो दे केम अप विद अ प्लान टू सेटिंग अप अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली, एंड दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली विल फ्रेम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। ये हेल्प करेगी या जिम्मेदारी देगी या लेगी कि भाई हम लोग अपने लिए अपना संविधान लिख सकें। When this was set up, there were 385 members, and later on it was reduced to 299 members. Why? I told you already, because Muslim League boycotted it. ये Muslim League क्या है? Muslim League was another national party in India, which was formed on 30th December 1906, right, by the Muslim people, definitely. तो इन्होंने बाइकआउट कर दिया, तो ये जो 385 थे ये रिड्यूस होके 299 रह गए। Let's talk about the composition. About the composition of the Constituent Assembly. इस Constituent Assembly में कौन कौन लोग शामिल थे? According to your book, let me read it for you. A majority of members belong to Indian National Congress, which was one of the largest party at that time, and other political parties. The prominent members were Dr. Rajinder Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and other. Weaker section and minorities were also represented. There were 30 scheduled caste members. Frank Anthony and Dr. H.P. Modi represented Anglo-Indian community. Well, apart from it, I would like to tell you that they were also having Anglo-Indian were represented by Frank Anthony and Mr. H.S. Prater, and the Indian Christians by Dr. H.C. Mukherjee and Joseph D'Souza, and the Parsis, well, H.P. Modi. Muslim League boycotted it, but still we were having some Muslim leaders also. Zafar Imam Muhammad Sadullah, who were represented the Muslim community. The Sikhs were represented by Sardar Hukam Singh and Ujjal Singh. And see, if you can see, we were having members from all the communities present at that time in India. That is why this Constituent Assembly was having a truly national character, national in character, right? Because they included each and every single person in the Constituent Assembly. तो इस ढंग से ये Constituent Assembly का गठन हो जाता है। और and then ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं आज़ादी से पहले, right? Before 1947, 15th August 1947, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हमारे लिए कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव सेटअप करते हैं, राइट? तो ही गेव अ रेजोल्यूशन, ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन होती है, मेजॉरिटी ओपिनियन। आने वाले समय में हम ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली बनी, हम आने वाले समय में क्या करेंगे, हमारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या रहेंगे, राइट? फ्री इंडिया विल बी नथिंग बट अ रिपब्लिक। जो हिंदुस्तान आज़ाद होगा वो एक रिपब्लिक स्टेट होगी, पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव। सेकेंड, द आइडियल्स ऑफ सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक डेमोक्रेसी would be guaranteed to all people. So there shall be equality, right? The Republic would grant fundamental rights to the citizens. So every single person residing or present in India will enjoy the fundamental rights. Fourth one, the state would safeguard the rights of minorities and backward class. Before framing, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru suggested these objectives in front of the Constituent Assembly which they accepted. Okay, ये जो आपने सुझाव दिया है इसे हम मानेंगे while framing the your Constitution of India, right? तो this is how, well, इस दौरान क्या होता है कि हमें आज़ादी मिल गई, we got independence. This objective resolution was given, Constituent Assembly का गठन हो गया, and we got independence also. Now this Constituent Assembly, अब इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to have a cabinet mission plan right now because British are not no more here, right? So ये जो Constituent Assembly थी, it became a sovereign body, and they are the one, what they did to carry on its work to frame the constitution. The drafting committee under the chair, this thing was formed, appointed 8 committees. Constituent Assembly appointed 8 committees. The drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was set up on August 29, 1947 with the objective to draft the Constitution of India. This is how this drafting committee and the Constituent Assembly came into formation, and they started working on working to frame the Constitution of India, right? We will continue with the preamble in the next video. Thank you.